Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate draft on X, formerly known as Twitter. So maybe you are typing something and you want to post something on Twitter. Maybe you don't want to post it that moment. You go back and save to draft. I'm going to show you in this video how to navigate to draft. So to navigate to your draft box, what you have to do is to click on your profile at the top left corner. Click on your profile. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on draft. Here you're going to see what you typed before. You can now choose to post it or to delete it. So that's how you navigate draft on X, formerly known as Twitter. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.